Okay, student. In this session, we solve more questions based on topic probability. So, I have a question for you. A bag contain 3 mangoes and 5 apples. What is the probability of drawing an apple, a mango without seeing? बिना देखे आपको एप्पल को ड्रॉ करना है तो what is the probability that कि वो एप्पल ही होगा, उसकी क्या probability होगी? So, I have explained to you to find the probability of an event. To find the probability of an event is equal to what? Number of favorable outcome upon total outcome. So for first, probability of getting an apple. How many apple are here? 5. Okay, so 5 upon total possible outcome क्या हो सकता है? So 3 mangoes हैं और 5 apples. So total possible outcome is what? 3 plus 5. So 5 upon 8. And for this, what is the probability of drawing a mango? Okay, how many mangoes are here? 3. And how many fruits are here? Total fruits 8. So 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8 is the probability of drawing a mango from that bag. Okay, now I have a second question for you. The blood group of a 30 student of class 7 are recorded as follows: A, AB, O, AB, O, A, etc. So how many students are here? 30. Again, a student is selected at random from the class from blood donation. Find the probability that the blood group of the student chosen is A, B, and AB and O. Okay, so we have to count the number of student whose blood group is A. Okay, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 upon 30. फिर से काउंट कर लेते हैं द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट हु हैव ब्लड ग्रुप ए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so there are 9 students whose blood group is A. Okay, so the probability that the blood group of the students chosen is A is equal to what? 9 upon 30. You can simplify it. Divide by 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 10 ja 30. So 3 upon 10. Okay. For this, count the number of students whose blood group is B. Here 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5. So 5 upon 30. You can simplify it 1 upon 6. For third, to find the blood group, number of students to find the blood group, chosen blood group is AB. Okay, count the student whose blood group is AB. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, okay, 4 upon 30. You can simplify 2 upon 15, 2 upon 15. Now for this 4, 9, 13, 4 plus 9 plus 15, 30 minus this, so 30 minus 4, 9, 13 plus 15, 28. 2 student whose blood group is only, it is wrong. Okay, sorry, I have written here 30 minus 4 plus 9 plus 5. So 30 minus 4, 9, 13 plus 5, 18, 12. 12 student whose blood group is O. Okay, we काउंट कर लेते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so the student whose blood group is A, what will be the probability that the blood group of the chosen student is O is what? 12 upon 30. You can simplify it. 6 2 ja 12, 6 5 ja 30, so 2 upon 5. Okay, thank you student, but I have more questions. Don't go for play, stay and continue to watch my video. So now I have a question for you. I have briefed question here. Total student is 200. Number of students who like maths is 135 and who do not like maths is 65. Okay, so I have a question here. Probability that a student chosen at random like maths, what is the probability? How will you calculate? You have to write here number of favorable outcome upon total outcome. So total outcome is what? 200, and the number of student who like maths is what? 135. So 135 upon 200. Okay, it is the answer. You can simplify it. Now in this question I have a second question. What is the probability that a student chosen at random do not like maths? So how many students who do not like maths is what? 65. So 65 is your favorable outcome in this case, and total outcome is what? 200. Total number of students is 200. So 200 is written here and 65 is here. So 65 upon 200 is answer. Is it probability that a student chosen at random do not like maths? Okay, I have a question again for you. In a cricket match, a batsman hit a boundary 8 times out of 40 balls. 40 balls. He plays. Find the probability that he did not hit a boundary. Okay. How many times he hits boundary? 8 times. 8 times he hits the boundary. Okay. Then you have to find how many times he does not hit boundary. 40 minus 8, so 32. 32 times he does not hit the boundary. So the probability probability that he did not hit the boundary is equal to what? 32 upon 40. You can cancel it by 8. 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40. So 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 is the probability that he did not hit boundary. It is your answer. Okay, thank you students for watching video. I am assured that you have learned in this chapter data representation, bar graph, types of bar graph, double bar graph, range, mean, median and mode. A probability also, and to find the probability of an event and some terms related to probability we have discussed in this chapter. So you have many books. You can assess some question from e-materials, from Google. You solve those problems related to these topics. If you can't solve these questions, you can ask frequently your problem on my personal WhatsApp contact. Good. Thank you students. All the best.